Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be opening this Traxxas helicopter. I did another helicopter yesterday, which, here, let me actually grab it, and it was this one. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. It is on my channel. And I also did the unboxing Nintendo Switch, so go check that out. So let's just get into this box. It's already opened, so I guess this is like instructions, so don't really need those. It's pretty much telling you where the battery goes, don't need those. It comes with extra propellers. I don't need those right now. So this is how big it is. It's actually pretty big. Let me take it out and actually compare it. So if I do this and I grab this one, if you look at the size difference, it's a lot different. It's a lot bigger, and that means it's probably a lot harder to fly. So I can put that one back. So these are, I'm guessing, the batteries. Yeah, these are the batteries, and it comes with two. It comes with two batteries. I'm guessing this is the charger. Let me put this down real quick. Yeah, it is the charger. So I believe, so there should be this focus. So that little thing in there, that's where it actually like charges. So that's where those actually plug into. And this is, it doesn't come with a cube like most things. So yeah, you'd need to use one of your own cubes. This is the controller. If I can get this out with one hand, it's actually kind of hard. Okay, there we go, got it out. So, I am not going to like actually fly this, because my room is really small, so I really can't fly it in here. If you guys do want me to fly it, then tell me in the comments below, and I can do a video of just flying this one and this one up here, if you guys would like that. So let's actually, let's see, I think I might have so I already have a cube over there, and I'm going to take battery number 1 and the charging, and I'm going to, first I'm going to plug this in. So let's just plug this actual into the wall. Well, not the wall. And then we can plug this. Let's see if we can make an angle on this. And plug this. And this red thing goes into here, as I said before. In a second, look at this. It goes in here. So it is plugged in. So it says, so there's normal, charge, and fast. So I'm guessing that means fast. It's on. I actually don't know if the battery works. I'm gonna test it out, but I'm hopefully not gonna accidentally fly it, and I'll come check on that later. So let's go back over here, the actual drone itself. So it does have 4 propellers, and it does come with extras, so if you break those, so if you get to the bottom, that's where you put the battery, I believe. So we're going to get battery number 2, and let's see, okay, yeah, that's cool. So it don't know if you guys can see this. So wait a minute. There. So there's this thing like right here, this little cord, and this would plug into there. So let's just do that. Whoa, that is bright. So now it's actually on. I know the battery's still hanging out. So let's just, I believe the battery, there's a little slot in here, and so you should just be able to slip that in there like that, as so. And then there's a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's right there, this is where this goes, and it's like a little clip. So this just stays inside of there. So let me do that real quick. And I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. So I do have it in now. For some reason it's blinking. It could be because the, let's just turn the remote on real quick. So I believe it's just like my other one, where you just go up maybe. It might be dead. I have actually never used this before. So let's just see, mess around with some stuff. I have no idea. So let's just flip this guy over. And I guess we can just try some stuff, and it's not really working. Maybe if I look up and then turn. So that is not working. So I don't know if this actually works or not. I don't know. I think that there should be batteries inside of here. Let me put this over here real quick, so I can go right here. I'm gonna take this. So I believe these do come with it, these batteries. They are AAA. Yes, they are AAA. One second, just gotta focus. Yep, AAA. I believe it comes with it because it does show those exact batteries on the instructions. Yeah. Oh yeah, it also says that you can hook it up to like a laptop, I guess, and charge it. So the light on there, on the actual charger over there, means that it's charging, because see, it says disconnected, charging, charged. So when it is charged, it will turn off. So if you plug it in and nothing happens, it probably means it is fully charged. So yeah, that's good. But same thing pretty much. You can do like tricks, like 360s. So I cannot really figure out how to fly this. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys did like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.